안녕하세요, 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami and today I'm gonna try Goth makeup. I'm in a hurry because I overslept my alarm, so I am going to put on my foundation, which is the YSL All Hours foundation. I love this foundation. It looks so good all day and it makes me look like my skin is skinning. So I'm gonna put this all over. Today I'm planning to go to my school and apply my disability form so that I can have less courses as my full-time school application. And then I'm also planning, what is this? Is this foundation? What is this? No, it's toothpaste. I'm also planning to go get my blood test because I need to get a psychiatrist assessment. I'm gonna do that all while looking goth. Gonna put on my concealer. It's the All Hours concealer from YSL. These two go really well together. And I'm just gonna apply to the spots that I need a little extra coverage. It's not much, just like a little bit. My skin hasn't been so terrible, thankfully. It's just a little extra coverage that I need here and there. Oh, I forgot I was gonna film a TikTok. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put my blush on. This is the Make Me blush from YSL. These were actually gifted to me by YSL, which is the only reason why I'd be able to use them, because girls broke. And these days I'm not spending money on makeup because I have a lot that I've collected over the years I can just use instead of getting new releases and stuff. I'm trying to de-influence myself. So I'm really thankful that I received this YSL foundation and blush because they are beautiful and they blend so nice with each other. Even with like other products that I use, they blend really nicely together. But I like this shade, number 66, and it's a little bit like a berry shade, but like a light berry shade, so it's pretty. Matches my skin tone. Okay, I'm gonna put my bronzer on. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Bronzing Powder. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, but I use it to contour. Honestly, I don't mind the shimmer. I just want to slim down my face. I'm considering getting a facelift because, like, after I got my bones shaved, my jaw and my cheek, I have some excess skin here that's been bothering me. So I was considering getting a facelift. But maybe in 5 years when I'm 35. I feel like I'm still a little bit young for a facelift. And I don't want to look like blotched or anything. But we'll see. I'll speak to my agency. I'm actually going to wear some highlight today. This is the Ofra Naked Tutorials collab. Highlighter Glazed Donut. I didn't know this was the Naked Tutorials collab. Oh my gosh. It's really pretty though. Ofra has like amazing highlighters. I'm going to apply this to the top of my cheekbones. To the tip of my nose, bridge of the nose. And then I'm gonna do this like K-pop move where they apply it like right in the inner corner, but like under the egg yolk side, right here. It makes the cheeks look really dewy. Or something or other, I don't know. I'm just doing it. But I am avoiding like right by my nose. This area you don't want to look oily. Gonna go in my Cupid's bow. I do like to avoid my chin and forehead because I don't want to look oily there. I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It's actually like brand new, but I couldn't find my old one, so ta-da! I'm gonna apply this to my lids. Blend it out. All the way to the eyebrow. This has actually been my favorite eyeshadow primer since high school for like 15 years. So I'm gonna apply it underneath as well, whatever's remaining on my finger. I'm pulling you in because I'm gonna do my eyes next, and I'm just gonna go in with a black shadow. This is the Naked palette. It's like really old, but I barely touched the shadows. I'm gonna use Creep, which is this glittery black. And I'm gonna apply this to my lids. Basically all over the lid. Just pack it on. And then I'm gonna blend it with whatever's left on the brush above my crease. And then I'm gonna melt it together. I don't want it to look too round, so I am going to bring it a little bit higher here. And give it a bit of a wing. I am gonna go in with Buck to smooth out the transition line, just right above the black. It'll just help to anchor the black to my skin tone. I'm also gonna apply Creep underneath my lower lash line and a little bit in the inner lower lash line as well. I'm gonna use Buck under my egg yolk. And then highlight with the Ofra highlight again. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back with a liner. Okay, liner lash time. I'm using NYX Epic Liner in black. And I'm going to apply this along my waterline. And then I'm gonna line my wing. Because this is a goth look, I am gonna go pretty long, maybe like 1.5 centimeters. Just bring it in. And then line the rest of my eye. Ta-da! For lashes, I'm using Cosmania Lash for Days. This is actually not a very goth lash, but it's quite long and it makes my lashes look really full. So I'm just going in with my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I'm gonna apply this to my lash line. Ta-da! I'll do the other side and we'll go on to the lips. For my lips, I'm using Maybelline's Matte Ink, and this is in Espresso 280. It's one of the darkest lip colors that I have. I didn't want to use black because I thought it would be too much, so I'm using a dark brown. And I'm just gonna go in with that. It smells so good. It smells like chocolate coffee. Now, a dark lip is always hard to apply, but it's all about placement and blending. So you don't want to put it like right at the line unless you want more defined line, like up here in the Cupid's bow. Any excess product, I'm just gonna blot away. And then I'm gonna connect it by applying to my upper lip, inner upper lip. And blending. Eventually my lips will create themselves. If there's a little bit of an area I need to blend, just gonna softly pull that together. And this is the look. I think I need more blush because it's looking a little bit white right now on my face because the rest of my face is dark. So I'm gonna go in with this rum and blush, and it's more of a pastel blush, but it's gonna add more color to my face. Okay, I'm gonna finish the look with some earrings. These I got 15 years ago in high school. Actually, it's more like 13 years ago, but I think they fit the look, so we're gonna put these on. I could have gone for all black, but so I'm wearing my fishnets. Ta-da! And I'm wearing this lace-up denim skirt. I figured the lace-up looks like goth enough, and then I'm gonna wear my I'm gonna wear my Doc Martens as well to complete the look. I think I should wear my leather jacket just to pull it together. Yeah. Okay. that's it. That's it. With my Doc Martens. Perfect! Thank you so much for watching this video and staying till the end. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.